Hello everyone, welcome to another Dao Lu video. Today we are gonna use another spatula exercise. We're gonna use a pen. Use one of your ordinary kitchen tools. First remove all the loose parts that can't fly around. Once you got your pen, we're gonna do an exercise that is just really basic to understand attacking lines. So how can you strike? You can strike vertically, horizontally and diagonal. Yeah? Okay, here we go. So take your normal position, feet shoulder width, pen in your left hand, and we go horizontal. So what you try to do here is you try to have an imaginary horizontal line, almost like on your diaphragm height. So in the middle of your body you go horizontal. Your second hand is like close to your center line, and you just do those swings. Just a few to get the shoulders warmed up. Do left and right, and just feel that horizontal line. My arm goes a little bit up. It starts slightly lower and goes up. It's like kind of a half circle, but it's really important to get this flow going, to feel how those horizontal motions work. Okay. Second off, we have the vertical line, the center line. So we take our pen in our left hand and we go up. Vertical up, the pen comes down, vertical up. So this is the second way you can strike on the vertical line. Of course, when you have that line, you can also go down. So you can do a vertical attack down. Once you have that, you can of course make those two combinations. So we got the third one is the diagonal one. So we start from the left hip, we go up to the right shoulder, diagonal up, 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 up. Of course, when you have the diagonal line, you can always also hit from top to bottom. So you go diagonally from your shoulder to your hip, down. Okay, you can use one foot in front. I like to put my left foot in front first because I'm left-handed. So first horizontal, just a few, make a rhythm. I always do like 4 or 5 hits, and then I go vertical up, vertical down, diagonal up, diagonal down. As you can see, I do 4 hits, so I do 1, 2, 3, 4 horizontal, vertical, 2, 3, 4 vertical down, 1, 2, 3, 4 diagonal up, 1, 2, 3, 4 diagonal down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? Do it with both hands. You can switch feet and just feel those lines. This is not really an exercise that you want to do long, but it's really important to understand those attacking lines. Yeah? Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed.